Alright, gonna work on the head just a little bit. I've got the valve stem seals. Not gonna change those yet because I'm gonna be fishing some valves in to do a valve lapping job. Oh, well here, let me just put that away for now so I don't lose pieces. Stupidly simple. I don't know if I'm gonna record the whole thing just because it's kind of mindless. Let's see, it looks like, yeah, okay, I got this in the right orientation. So each valve is in the correct spot for where it's going to be returned for installation. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna clean these out a little bit with some B12 first. Wasting our work grinding soot back into the valves. I don't think that makes for a very good polishing compound. Whew! I think B12 is amazing stuff. After doing this, I'm probably going to have to replace this glove. Because if it's not metal, B12 will delete it. Which makes me wonder what kind of plastic is on the lid that it's able to keep this stuff in. And it's clear. Like, it's thin, flimsy plastic. Oh, magic. Alright. Well, this demonstrates that the valves really do need good lapping. They're oh wow, yeah, I can feel the indentations. Yeah, this is going to be a big help. I just love how a freshly overhauled motor sounds and feels. You know, you get used to like a slight stumble to idle, or you know, a certain level of responsiveness. You get used to an engine that's got 300,000 miles on it, and then you replace everything inside, and it feels like you got a whole new motor, because you basically do. That's one of the things, you know, I'm not anti-electric car, but that's definitely one of the big pluses for internal combustion. You know, you put a whole bunch of miles on an electric, and when you have to replace the batteries, that's the bear's share of the vehicle's cost. And when you completely wear out an internal combustion engine, and this is 300,000 miles, so I mean that's a long time. You replace some sheets of metal and circles of rubber, and you got a new engine. It takes nothing. Alright, you can actually see my glove is starting to... That's not stretching off my hand, it's wearing out. So I'm going to go get another glove.